Google Drive is a popular cloud storage service that allows you to store your files, photos, and documents online. While Google Drive provides 15 GB of storage to every user, this space can quickly fill up, especially if you can use Google Drive for work or personal project. In this video, I will show you how to get free storage on Google Drive, which is legal and 100% free, so you can store more files without paying a dime. So without wasting time, let's begin. So right now we are on the phone screen. First of all, open up your Google Drive, and top right corner, here you can see my email. In this email, I will create extra storage for my drive. To do that, I will use my another email. Okay, keeping my main email aside, I will click on this email. Here you can see the plus icon. Click on it, then tap on folder. So we will create a folder named storage. Now click on three dots bar and share. Here in this box, I will put my main email where I want to add storage. Very important, here you can see three options. Select editor, and then click on this send icon. Done. Now go to your main profile, your main email. Here you can see the folder. You can use this folder. Now, for example, if I click here, I can upload anything I want. The storage might not show here, but you can use this folder as it has 15 GB of storage. Now you can add more storage from more email. I hope you will find this video genuine and helpful. Please consider subscribing my channel to support me. Until then, goodbye and stay tuned.